Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is video number 24th of our series where we are building library management system using ASP.NET Core MVC, Entity Framework Core database first approach, and ChatGPT extensively. So in the previous video, we actually worked on create book functionality, and that is working fine. However, if you remember, we had an improvement area where we can actually provide user an option to add author from the create book page itself, right? So if there is no author, if there is a new author and new book, right? So while adding book, user no need to go to author master, manage author page, add author over there, and come back again to book page, and do the required mapping between book and author, right? We can give user option there and there itself on the create book itself, where they can add the new author, and that author will be added in the drop down of book author of create new book page, and user can select it from there. So let's move ahead with that. So I have prepared the prompt. Let me take you to the chat gpt, and let me yeah so let me copy paste the prompt over here. So this is what I am saying: add model pop-up for new author. Add new author button should open the pop-up with a text box and save, cancel, or close button. Upon saving, the author name should be added to author table, and parent page, which is create book, should be refreshed so that we can see the newly added author in the author drop down. Now let's push this prompt and wait. So let's start with the ChatGPT response. So first it is saying that create a parcel view. This parcel view will be used as a model pop-up, right? So where it is saying view shared auth model.cshtml. Okay, so I'll create this in the background. What is the next step says? Then include this just before closing body tag or outside the main form. Okay, this guy will have to add it on create book page, right? Add new author button near author selection. Okay, yeah, that this is, I believe, we already have controller action to save author. Mm, this is okay, and then the ajax action, right? Okay, so let's do this. So let me create this in background and come back, at least this sad view. So I just created the partial view, which is over here in the sad folder underscore add author model, right? And this is the view code. Now let's go ahead, and it is saying that add away these two at the end. Okay, so I have added that also. Let me go to create book page and let me see it over here. Yeah, so parcel underscore L model underscore L model. So this is good. And then add the button. We add this button already before, even when we created the when we worked on the create book page, create book functionality. We already had that button, right? So we'll just check whether all attributes are good or not. Database open model. Okay, this is good, this is good, this is good. Add plus model empty one. Okay, so I think this is good, this is good. Now let's move to the next, which is now the http post post. Yeah, add author ajax. Okay, so let me copy this, you know and let me go to manage book controller, and let me go at the end, and let me remove this. Let me replace this. Actually, I was trying something, but that didn't work. So let me add this one. So this is good, and now copy this and put it down into the book create book section at the end, right? So let me replace this as well, right? So let me mark it as save, and okay. So let's run it and see. So let me log in as a librarian. Let's go to manage books, add book. Let's say add new author. Okay, great. Let me give the name author ABC as a dummy, some author name. Okay, so it got refreshed. Okay, so author ABC got added. And let's add one book. You know, this is another one we should be taking. Let's take this random any text. Keep publication, let there be any, general, let there be any, this is good. Let's say it's 25 page, let's say it's 20, 21. Choose image. Let me take Ajit Agarkar and let me take these two author. Let me say create. Okay, so it gave me cannot insert duplicate key into books, the duplicate key. Oh, okay, my bad. I think I use the same ISBN number. Let me change this. Let me submit this again. Okay, so here we here the new book is added and two author are also added. So this is working fine. Now let me go to add book again. Now we'll do the similar kind of thing. We can do the similar kind of thing for publication, right? But publication problem over with publication over is, you know it is not a separate table. Author is a separate table, right? Publication is just a column of a book table. So we won't be able to have the add new publication functionality over here. Instead, we will try to have auto suggest text box or something. So if we type something and if there are any existing row containing that text, then it will display it. We can select one of them, and if not, we can use that text, whatever text that is there in publication, into the while we are creating the book, right? So we'll try to implement something like that, right? So that's it in this video. So this adding ad hoc author functionality is working nice, right? In the next video we'll try to do something around this publication, maybe auto suggest or something like this, because if there is a publication which does not exist in this, then here we are trapped kind of thing, right? So thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.